Some of the world's wildest flags feature dragons, eagles, and even cows. Can you spot them all? Which country features a mythical red dragon on its national flag? Is it A, Ireland, B, Wales, or C, Scotland? It's B, Wales! Nailed it. The red dragon is their ancient symbol. Which country's flag shows a gold eagle perched on a cactus eating a snake? Is it A, Mexico, B, Brazil, or C, Argentina? It's A, Mexico! Awesome! It comes from an ancient Aztec legend. Which U.S. state features a large grizzly bear walking on its official flag? Is it A, Texas, B, Florida, or C, California? It's C, California. Sweet! The grizzly bear symbolizes their strength. Which European nation features a bold, black, double-headed eagle on its vibrant red flag? Is it A, Albania, B, Greece, or C, Italy? It's A, Albania! You got it! It's a very powerful design. Which Caribbean island nation features the colorful Ciceroo parrot on its flag? Is it A, Jamaica, B, Dominica, or C, Cuba? It's B, Dominica! Nice job! That's their beautiful national bird. Which East African nation features a gray-crowned crane inside a white circle on its flag? Is it A, Uganda, B, Kenya, or C, Ethiopia? It's A, Uganda! Brilliant! The crane is famous for being gentle. Which Himalayan country features a white thunder dragon holding sparkling jewels in its claws? Is it A, Nepal, B, Bhutan, or C, Mongolia? It's B, Bhutan! Fantastic! The dragon represents wealth and security. Which Pacific Island nation features a yellow Ragiana bird of paradise in full flight? Is it A, Papua New Guinea, B, Fiji, or C, New Zealand? It's A, Papua New Guinea! Superb! This gorgeous bird is native there. Which island nation's flag depicts a frigate bird flying over a rising golden sun? Is it A, Maldives, B, Madagascar, or C, Kiribati? It's C, Kiribati! Oof, tricky. The bird represents freedom and power. Which Central Asian country shows a golden steppe eagle soaring beneath a bright sun? Is it A, Kazakhstan, B, Uzbekistan, or C, Turkey? It's A, Kazakhstan! Yes! The eagle symbolizes their independence. Which North African nation features the golden eagle of Saladin in the center of its flag? Is it A, Morocco, B, Egypt, or C, Algeria? It's B, Egypt! Spot on! It's a symbol of unity. Which region of Belgium features a bold red rooster emblem on a yellow background? Is it A, Flanders, B, Wallonia, or C, Brussels? It's B, Wallonia! Whoa, tough one! The rooster is their official symbol. Which South American nation features a grand Andean condor perched on top of its shield? Is it A, Ecuador, B, Chile, or C, Peru? It's A, Ecuador! Love it. The condor represents shelter and protection. Which European country features a golden, two-headed eagle holding a scepter and an orb? Is it A, Serbia, B, Croatia, or C, Montenegro? It's C, Montenegro. Perfect. It shows a royal crowned eagle. Which tiny European principality features two red cows at the bottom of its coat of arms? Is it A, Andorra, B, Monaco, or C, Liechtenstein? It's A, Andorra. Incredible! The cows represent a historic region. Which European country features a golden eagle holding a cross with a wild bull on its chest? Is it A, Romania, B, Moldova, or C, Bulgaria? It's B, Moldova! You nailed it! The bull is an ancient aurochs. Which territory's flag features a white ram standing on a small grassy patch on its crest? Is it A, Falkland Islands, B, Greenland, or C, Iceland? It's A, Falkland Islands. Great job! Sheep farming is huge there. Which Caribbean island municipality features a golden silhouette of a humpback whale? Is it A, Aruba, B, St. Eustatius, or C, Curacao? It's B, St. Eustatius. Wow, hard one. The whale is on their shield. Which island territory features three orange dolphins leaping in a circular pattern? Is it A, Anguilla, B, Bahamas, or C, Barbados? It's A, Anguilla! Super! The dolphins represent friendship and strength. Which Australian territory's flag shows a golden bosun bird flying over a green and blue background? Is it A, Norfolk Island, B, Tasmania, or C, Christmas Island? It's C, Christmas Island. Amazing! It's a unique local seabird. Which territory features a green sea turtle on the crest of its official flag? Is it A, Cayman Islands, B, Bermuda, or C, Montserrat? It's A, Cayman Islands. Sweet! The turtle rests above the shield. Which U.S. state features a solid white silhouette of an American bison on a blue background? Is it A, Montana, B, Wyoming, or C, North Dakota? It's B, Wyoming! Yes! The bison represents their local wildlife. Which Australian state's official flag features a bright red lion inside a white circle? Is it A, Tasmania, B, Victoria, or C, Queensland? It's A, Tasmania. Nailed it. It features a walking red lion. Which territory features a red lion holding a shield depicting a dramatic historic shipwreck? Is it A, Gibraltar, B, Falklands, or C, Bermuda? It's C, Bermuda. Perfect! The shield shows a 1609 shipwreck. 0 to 8 is a fun start, 9 to 16 is super sharp, and over 17 makes you a flag genius. Comment your score and subscribe.